This printer is Canon TS4151i. What I want to do is to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. This printer uses ink cartridges 595 black and 586 color. So lift up ink access door, then you wait for the ink holder to move and position itself to the corner on the left side. Pull up ink holder. The colored one goes to the left, the black goes to the right. Just need to remove each ink cartridge. To replace it, make sure this contact parts go inside. So the colored one goes to the left. Then take the black contact part, need to go inside. Black goes to the right. Then pull down the ink holder. Pull it down to be on the setting. Pull it down. Then lift up the door. Pull it up and go front to close it. Then you wait for the printer to recognize the ink. The light will be highlighting on the power. Once it recognizes the ink, the light will be steady. Once you recognize the ink, all the light will be steady. It will show you the paper and the Wi-Fi light because the printer is connected to wireless network, and also the power on light is steady. So this is how to replace the ink cartridges. Thank you very much indeed.